Back at Salt Creek. Got my kitty fish on, or my kitty shirt fish, you know, or I can't even talk. You know what I meant. My kitty shirt for kitty fishing. Yeah. Anywho. Yeah, gonna try a little different spot than I've been fishing in the creek. It's right in the same area, but hopefully have luck, and then yeah, let's try. Well guys, so this is on the other side of the rocks. It's where I normally am, but it's actually not sunny today, and I can actually see that there is a deeper spot right here. It's kind of like goes in there and deep on this side. So I'm gonna try it. Time to cast her out. See how she does. Setting up this other pole I got for bottom fishing. Something nibbled it. Freaking eagle just screeched over me. It was like, I'm try moving this on the other side over here. That's a pole. I want to get away from that. Oh, hell yeah, boys. Look at that. Oh, damn. Good find of the day. Oh, shit. Sandy. Ooh, it's really sandy. It's kind of cool. Ooh, shit. Rock climber. American Ninja Warrior. Dang, right there. Maybe a good spot. Wow. Tiring. Kind of shallow, but that spot back here might be good. Apparently they don't want to bite today. I see that in the tree. Is that a coon? I think it's a coon. Sleeping. There's a coon. Little guy just sleeping. What's up?
How the hell do I get down there? Right here?
Yeah, it's kind of a pain. I don't know, I was trying this spot so you could try this one over here. This is where I normally fish on this side.
Cool, man. I never knew this was here.
I know, I don't know. I was just like, oh, I'll try it one time, and then was like,
No, it looks awesome.
I just had bald eagles like 5 minutes ago screeching.
Bald eagle?
Yeah.
Boo, you want that bald eagle? By the way, Boo, Dylan, Boo.
Hi.
This is all a bit wide.
Yeah, I know.
Deep too?
Right in here, it's pretty deep.
Really?
Yeah.
We've done worse. Maybe. I'll catch you.
Let's kaploop into the water.
Well, we'll give it a whirl. I'll holler if we catch something, but
Heck yeah, I'm gonna be.
I mean, don't hesitate to fish down here too.
Oh no, it's all good. I wanted you to check it out though. I mean,
Yeah, I'll give it a try. And it's blowing up down there,
I know. There's.
just on the backside of that tree.
Yeah, I saw some carp in there.
I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I snagged something real big. I don't know what it was.
Heck yeah. No, I've had a few things in here. I'm like, yeah, and then it spits it out or something.
Yeah. We caught like 5 or 6 white bass.
Oh, dude, yeah, watch out for a beaver too.
There's a big head beaver.
Oh, it scared the crap out of me.
Flash you?
No, but it came out of nowhere and it was sitting right by me, and then I turned and it.
No, like real close.
Yeah, like right down where she's standing.
We had some major splashing on the other side.
Yeah, I don't know. I've tried casting over there and I don't think I ever caught anything way over there casting, but.
I casted over there a bunch of times. I couldn't get anything. It's like you said, it's all right here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Right
it's.
in front of us. But yeah, first cast of the bobber, I broke off a white bass, and then
Oh,
I don't know what that is.
carp maybe?
I'm thinking carp. I don't really know that.
I don't know if there's something dead. I haven't found it over here yet, but it.
No, I don't know what it is. But there's definitely something dead.
Maybe the beaver. Maybe I hooked him and he croaked. Wasn't that bad the other day. Mr. Beeve. Oh, I'm just going right off the edge here. Oh, nice. What is it? Ooh.
Right next to it.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, man, I think there's more of these here than we think.
Yeah, I know.
He's all fired up. He's like blue.
So, yeah, I'm back at the spot. Yesterday, I didn't have any luck. Oh, look at that farmer's tan. Josh from Pigpatrol came out, let him try the spot that I've been fishing, and did good. So the video should be up by the time this comes out. But yeah, figured I'd come out for a while today and fish since I didn't get anything yesterday to throw on this video. But yeah, it was a little adventure yesterday. I was climbing all over everything. It was like some American Ninja Warrior stuff. So yeah, let's try to go actually catch something today. Yesterday was a bust for me, at least, but got to see Josh catch some fish, so that was sweet. But yeah, heading into the forest. Got one. Oh man, come on. Serious. Dang, I got a walleye. That's a first. I haven't caught walleye in years. Pretty little thing too. Let's get up out of the water. Come on, bud. Stuck all dumb in here. Ow! Okay, chill, sick. Put you back in for a second. There you go. Dope. I haven't caught a walleye in Nebraska in like years. Well, that was interesting. I seriously just caught a minnow. That's a first. Lots of firsts today. Well, might as well leave it on, right? Well, didn't have much luck. I caught one walleye, tiny one, but other than that, nothing really. I did catch a little minnow on one of my spinners when I was reeling it in, so I guess that was a second catch. But yeah, I don't know. But anyways, check out Josh's channel. He was fishing here yesterday, had some good luck. Pigpatrol, Josh at Pigpatrol, and yeah, he has some sweet videos. He's the one who got me kind of going on this stuff now. So peace, have a good one.